my gosh. We recorded everything before without audio. So now the audio is working. Okay, yeah, just double checked. Everything seems to be working. But before I get back into it, let me redo this entire intro. What's good? Yoro Kage, back with another video. And today it's low-key a banger. It's low-key a banger. We already started working. We already messed up the recording. I'm here with Jaden. My dad's somewhere over there playing music, you feel me? But today we're slamming my older sister's car without her knowing. Like, her foot, look at it. Steelies, big gap, yeah. So we obviously gotta fix that. Her being my sister, we gotta get her right. Even though I'm not even right my damn self, the car's in the shop. More on that. However, it's going good, right?
Of course. It's going splendid, fam.
Splendid. Recap before anything else. We're currently trying to get the end link off. This is our solution: vice grip and ratchet with a 6mm Allen in it. But what we're currently trying to do is we already jacked up the car. We're trying to remove the strut because here's a trick. That's pops right there. But we have acquired ourselves some Megan Racing lowering springs, and that's the box it came in. We did a whole unboxing and everything, but messed up with the audio. But yeah, this is what it comes in. The Megan Racing box. And we're gonna drop the car probably like 2 or 3 inches lower. Yeah, that's the front one that Jaden has in his hand. So far, we've removed the bolts for the knuckle, for the coilover. Remove the sensor right here, which is just an 8mm bolt. Removed it from the strut itself right here. Right here, which was a 14mm bolt on the strut. And now this is a 16mm bolt, but we don't have a 16mm wrench, so we're using device grips. Now that we're all caught up, let's continue. Yep. Our improvisation worked. We were able to get the nut off by doing some very stuff. Some very stuff. No. I know y'all rocking with the vibes, but now we're about to figure out how to get this off because it's blocking the bolts for taking out the strut. So that's what we gotta figure out now. That's what we're tackling now. That's what we're tackling now, baby. Let's go.
That's gonna fall, bro.
What's dangerous? It's not dangerous.
We did this shit to Lewis.
Yeah,
we did this to Lewis' car.
I'm scared, bro.
Yeah,
That's why you stay over there.
Yeah, this is, see, not a real car guy.
Oh, wow.
Oh, shit. That's true. Wow. That's true.
What can I say? His car is newer than 2010.
Stock Acura TLX.
It's newer than 2010. So
Been saying I'm gonna get bags for like
I can't say that.
you can't say that.
That's an 08 SI right
But
there.
it's an SI though, like iconic
That's an 08
car.
SI. That's an 8.
TSX iconic, but like it's not really iconic.
Screw all
It's
that.
just old.
Look over there. Look at the beauty in the tree.
There's nothing here, bro. It's parked over there, bro. I
was like, what the fuck?
Oh yeah, Edgar came. So update, we got the strut out. We're about to get that second strut out now. And now it's time to do some sketch stuff. Yeah, let's go.
While
Sketch.
underneath the cold.
Yeah, while the wind is kicking right now. But I have a wind guard on the mic, so Wingardium Leviosa.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Hey, yo, that's not my car.
Easy.
It's better than Lewis's car. The Subi is trash.
I'm not gonna lie, it took so long with Lewis's car.
Yeah.
Just that part.
No, because we didn't know we need to like
to gun
like
it.
gun it like this.
Yeah.
We did
the
like
tap gun, and then it would move the whole strut. All right, let's get that off of
Surprisingly,
here,
that didn't
baby.
kick too much.
Let's get that off of here,
It actually
baby.
didn't kick too much. Yeah.
See?
I mean,
See,
the
you're
Corolla
just
is light.
You see,
Like,
the thing is, we just have experience on you. That's all it is. To be completely honest.
Because Lewis shit.
No, because we changed the coils on Lewis's car already.
that's fair.
Or the springs, yeah.
You get this all now.
That shit kicked a lot.
You lift up, bro. No cap. Oh no, it's broken.
We're done.
We done with the front.
Time is. We done. Hey, at least it's like
Time
15.
check. Time check. Let's see.
It's not 1 in the morning.
8:32.
Yep.
You can't see. 8:32 though. We started at like what 6? What
Yeah.
time did you get here?
Oh, like 7? Maybe 7:30.
Yeah, I mean we did the fronts pretty quickly.
That's why you buy. That's why you buy it, sir.
That's why you buy fucking Toyota. What's the slogan?
What?
The Toyota. There's a slogan. I don't even remember that jump. Insert slogan here. But nah, buy a Corolla, no gap.
Toyota, let's go places.
You never saw this one. We're actually doing rally spec Corolla. And we're getting the GR Yaris wide body kit on it. Alright. Dropping. Whoa, what? Yeah, it's recording. Bruh, this shit dropped hella. This shit dropped hella. This shit dropped a lot. Oh, it's looking nice. Hey, boys, this is coming out good. It looks way better than I thought it would, to be completely honest. Oh yeah, it's definitely makes a difference. We just gotta get some wheels for her. But honestly, I think I'm gonna drop this one. I'm gonna edit probably tomorrow, drop this on Monday. But if y'all see this, hopefully I get a set of wheels before I drop the video. However, if I don't get them, I need some help finding some good 17-inch 5x100 wheels for a Corolla, for a decent price. I'm looking for around 300, maybe 350. But yeah, it's looking way better. We just have to do the back now.
Number 17.
We're starting the back, and we got this out. It's kind of a pain in the ass. It's under all the carpet in the trunk. But I let Jaden do it, so.
Let's go. We almost done, baby. Knock on wood.
Digga. Time to digga this nut. With. Hey, yo. No, yo, pause. We digga this off the strut. And, we don't have a spring compressor.
We have compressors.
Well, we have compressors.
Our hands.
Feel me? That's what we did with the front, so we're gonna do it with the back anyway. So, fuck your opinions, and let's do this. Let's do this. All right, Edgar.
That's it.
What's up? Strut 3 of 4 completed. Finito.
Yeah.
Cheese in my pocket, Velveeta.
Feel like cheese salsa.
One side left. There's always a problem.
On the last ones. Every time.
Every time there's at least one single problem that takes us like 4 hours.
And usually it's always the last one.
And it's always, usually it's the last one. Sometimes it's the second thing, like on the fucking Volvo. But that shit was ass, bro. That axle.
That's why you buy Japanese.
That's why you buy Japanese. Fuck you, bro. I'm getting an RSX. Anyway, 3 out of 4 done. 3 out of 4. Let's finish this up, boys. She doesn't even know what we did.
Oh, really?
She doesn't even know.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
All she hears is the
Ooga dooga. She's like, damn, is it that much ooga dooga for oil change?
Yeah.
We ain't even doing the oil change.
We got that drain plug. So it'd be tight fit.
Yes, sir. Make sure that drain plug is ooga dooga 3 times at least, minimum.
Make the next mechanic suffer.
Yes. Also put red thread lock on it. Finally finished.
10 minutes.
Finally finished. We did that, both backs in like 10 minutes, bro. It's like, nah, more like 30 minutes for both of them. But the second one we did
Pretty fast.
for like in 5 minutes. Anyway, let's see.
Damn, bro. I wasn't expecting that shit.
What the hell? Let me go check this, bro.
Yeah.
Bro,
Breeze loaded me.
this shit is tough. This is
Wait, is the spring even
sitting
properly?
It was on this side.
That shit's sketch. That sounds sketch. Yo, it's so much lower.
It was making that noise before.
No.
Oh, it's gone now.
If it's sideways,
Oh, what? Up and down?
did you guys tighten the top
You mean tighten the top?
bolts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can double check it and do it now.
Yeah.
But yo, this shit looking way better. And we got it.
I mean, as long as
Don't tell her, but about the wheels. We talked about this, so look at how my hand is. We talked about the wheels. It's coming. It's coming soon. And if I can't find any, I need y'all to just like drop a comment and help me figure something out. She wants black wheels. They're 5x100 and probably 17s still, or keep the 16s.
16 by 9.5.
16 by 9.5.
Just like my shit.
The stocks?
My shit dropped by 2 inches.
Damn. All right.
18 by 9.5 plus 38.
So 17 then. 17 by 9.5.
Go 17, 9.5. Lower the tire ratio.
Lower the tire ratio. Hey, we got some ideas for this. You feel me? Let me know. Drop a comment. Like, what kind of fitment do you even want to see on this? Hey, we still have to show her. We have to show her now. All right, I'm gonna torque down these.
I mean, I wish notice.
Notice it. I mean, bro, she has to notice the back. The back is way too noticeable for her to not realize. And now that we're done, bro, I told her we were gonna do an oil change. We ain't even change any oil. We not even gonna touch oil, nigga. Fuck out of here. But I'm gonna torque these down, and then I'm gonna get her reaction. All right? Brisk.
Brother.
Log on, people.
Crux up.
Log on.
What did
All
you do?
right. She don't even know. Let's go.
Go.
Wait,
Is it safe? Is it safe to come outside? Okay.
I hope she can tell. Oh, a mirror came.
A whole bunch of bandages.
She can't even tell.
Why my garage door floor dirty?
She can't even tell.
What did you do? Did you lower it?
Yes, bro. I lowered that, Joe. Wow, that Joe crazy. Yo, look at how much
Oh my
low.
god, look at the wheel.
That fit go crazy.
Are you kidding me?
That's gonna go crazy.
Yeah, it's
All
kinda
right,
tight.
now that this is finally revealed, bro. When you went to Orlando or what's it called, Florida? I was like, damn, cause I was driving all these cars. I was like, damn, what if I slammed the rental car? And then I ended up driving yours. I was like, wait, what if I slammed this? Like, this is owned. Anyway, phase 2. You already know tints and everything.
I can't wait.
But you feel me?
Phase 2 right now is her testing.
Phase.
out.
I guess you do need a test drive.
The cockpit. Miguel sit in the driver's seat, you know.
Passenger seat.
I mean the passenger seat.
You like it?
Experience.
Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. Y'all did a good job.
We did it pretty quickly as well, to be honest.
The back was like.
Enjoy the new ride, the new old ride until it's even newer.
For sure.
Feel me? So
I cannot freaking wait.
for them wheels,
I
right?
cannot wait for everything.
Bro,
Everything.
it's gonna
Oh, let
look
me
so much better because I'm putting spacers on it. It's gonna look nice. It's gonna look nice. Trust. Anyway, this is an extreme close up right now, but you feel me? Thanks for tuning in to Yoru no Kage. Another banger episode as per usual. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it.
Are you uploading